Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the AI as your personal stylist on the Ask AI Chat and Generate Answers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this or slide to the right side in the middle of the screen and click on social and tap on personal stylist. Here you can find a preset instruction. I want you to act as my personal stylist. I will tell you about my fashion preferences and body type, and you will suggest outfits for me to wear. You should only reply with the outfits you recommend and nothing else. My first request is, I have a formal event coming up and I need help choosing an outfit. So feel free to type in your own preferences into this instruction and customize it. And when you are done, click on the send button down below. And in a few seconds, you will be able to see the outfit recommendation generated by the AI. It might take a few seconds. You can see how it is being generated. So here you can see several outfit options. Outfit 1, outfit 2, outfit 3. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.